at here. So we're gonna take a boat ride. Where are you at? Shut up!
Oh my gosh, we're going 45 miles per hour. That's over the speed limit.
What's this?
Oh my gosh, it's a spray can.
Oh, it's on my laptop.
Its engine's starting blood.
Look at this, bad boy.
What are you doing some more? Let me touch you. Okay, so you're gonna touch my teeth.
What's this?
Ow!
This is garlic spray.
Look at this!
Hi, Scooter! Hey, Scooter!
It's our friend. She's driving the boat too.
He's a dog. I'll show you the dogs that are swimming in the water.
In the grass. Oh, matey. Everyone's gotta get off. Let's see.
There's one dog.
Ow! It's my butt. Fish tap!
There's the other dog. And people are driving by like crazy because they think we're retarded.
Hey, dog!
Here's all those dogs. Courtney had a dog attack! Oh no! There's one dog, he's peeing in the grass.
Oh, he's peeing!
I don't know if you can see him.
I have! Fun. I hate that people of a different universe. That was really
Ow, she's on my butt, you're off! You are stupid, get off of me.
Don't touch me.
Get out! That's taking a walk. This is only 2 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
You know how much time we have on our hands right now? Let's go get the mail from the mailbox.
You'll probably lose internet connection, won't you?
No. Maybe. No. I don't know. Possible.
I don't want the dog to see it.
You don't want who?
Hold on, what's this?
There's a raper van getting ready to pass
Look at
through.
the dog dancing. Now she's biting.
Look at her! It looks like a dog humping you.
I know, but she's not.
Honestly.
It's a girl!
It's a girl. One-on-one.
It's not. Ow! These rocks hurt.
People probably think we look retarded because we're like in our pajamas. And it's like lunchtime.
Oh my god!
We have mail! Mail time. Oh, you just took that.
What?
Show them how much mail we have.
This much, and there's an AT&T bill. It says $700.
Dang, girl.
Oh. Back to school for summer parents. Hey, you don't bark at me, little hamster.
Hamster. Look, Gracie's on television.
Grace!
Oh my goodness, you don't even know what. That's Gracie.
Look at her tongue.
Malachi.
Don't show you.
That's Malachi. Pumpkin.
Ah!
And that is Pumpkin.
I should have a gun back. I can maybe tag.
Do it, she'll attack you.
Oh. She's freaking out. Ow.
Get off of my television, you freaking retard.
Ow, I almost broke this nasty.
This is all of our mail.
Oh, my bro shows the whole world. Look at my girlie from her.
Hi! 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 Hello. Goodbye, Toodle. Bye.
Alright, knock my hat.
Say bye.
I said bye.
Oh wow.